Welcome to our channel, and in this video we will talk about the Sleep City Metaverse. First, please notice our disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, now let's dive right into this video. So, as I said earlier, in this video we'll talk about the Sleep City Metaverse and their upcoming NFT sale and their upcoming token launch. So first I wanted to talk a little bit about what is Sleep City at this point of time and what will it be in the future. At this point of time it is an application, the so-called Sleep to Earn, where you can actually sleep and earn money with the help of NFT pillows. So basically how it works, very simply, and later on in the video we will also go a little bit more into depth. You go to bed, you turn on the app and you get SCT tokens. SCT tokens are the tokens of Sleep City. And you can upgrade your pillow to get more coins. There are different rarities of those pillows, and those pillows actually have different stats too, but more about that very soon. So some other things you can do with the pillows, for example, you can upgrade your pillow with the SCT tokens. Again, you can participate in teams within your own region in the world and get more rewards. You can add unique effects to improve the parameters. There are 4 parameters which actually alter how you can earn SCT tokens. You can create new and cosmic pillows, so you can put 2 pillows together and with those breed a different pillow. And you can also rent your pillows to friends or random people. And that is a good thing to know because you don't actually need to buy a pillow NFT to get started and to earn while you're sleeping. You can also rent an NFT pillow and earn a percentage of the rewards. So that is the application as how it's going to be in the beginning. But Sleep City has a way more important mission, and I think that is very important to talk about now already. They want to build a complete ecosystem that will function without a constant intervention of the team, and they want to make a Sleep City Metaverse. So it's going to be a meta city in which you can do a lot of things. You can meet with people, chat with people, buy things, and way more. And the Sleep to Earn model is only the beginning, but also the fundament of that metaverse. So together with you, I also wanted to watch the video on their website sleepcity.io, and you should know that all the links you will need will be down in the description. So let's watch it together right now. So this video gives you a general idea of how the app will work in real life and how you can actually earn money while sleeping. Alright, so I also wanted to talk a little bit more into depth about the gameplay and how it will actually work for you. But before we do that, I think it's important to actually tell you the important dates you should know about the Sleep City NFT sale and their token launch, the SCT token, the token you will earn when you actually sleep to earn. So the supply of the NFT sale will be 10,000 Genesis NFT boxes, and each box contains 1 pillow. And the mint date will actually be the 16th of September at 1 o'clock UTC time. And during this Genesis sale you will pay $149 for common pillows, $599 for rare pillows, and $4,000 for legendary pillows, which allow you to earn SCT tokens while you sleep. So again, the 16th of September is the mint date for the NFT collection, and the pre-sale date is the 14th of September. And this pre-sale of the token will be on pink sale, and 2 days after that, as you heard, will be the mint of the NFT boxes. So if you want to know more about that pre-sale of the token, again on the website you can find it right here. Just scroll down a little bit, the countdown of when it will be, and you can click the pre-sale on pink sale to actually participate in it. So quickly, how you can actually use the application. The first thing that you would want to do is choose a pillow. So again, the rarities we just discussed is common, legendary, and rare. You can buy a pillow on the internal marketplace, and what you then do, as you can see that it has 4 parameters: traffic, power, time, and wear. So basically what that is, wear is that pillows actually wear down and you can restore them again with SCT tokens. So the lower the wear, the longer you can use it. Power is how much power of your cell phone it actually uses, because when you sleep, what it does is your cell phone actually becomes a node in the Sleep City Metaverse, keeping the Metaverse up. Time is how long you will actually be able to earn money while sleeping. And traffic is basically how much it does on your phone. So not how much power it consumes, with how much traffic it actually processes while you're sleeping. And then the final step is you press the sleep button on your smartphone and you can actually start earning money right now. And right now I also want to say once more that all the links you will need will be down in the description. So I also think it is very important to always check the white paper of a project. And for Sleep City that's especially important because the white paper actually tells you more than just the general understanding you get from the website. So here, for example, you can find out more about the long-term economy, one of the most important things. So you can find out that the Sleep City economy is 100% user-owned. Digital assets in Sleep City applications are created by users using application tokens and SCT platform tokens. So for example, you can find out more within a white paper about the Sleep City long-term economy, some of the basic principles of the system, and how it actually economically stays sustainable, which is very important in economies like these. So here you can also find out more about the pillow NFTs, as we talked about, the traffic, the power, the time, and the where. Very important things to know when actually buying an NFT pillow. But you can also find out more about time, how much time you actually get. Also depends on the number of NFTs you have. So if you have more NFTs, you can actually have more time and therefore earn more money. And apart from that, the rarity class of your pillows also increases the time in which you can earn money. Apart from that, you can find out more about what we talked about very briefly, breeding with your pillows, which is a pillow mint. And in this process, basically what we said is you have two pillows, those are the parents, and they must have 100% strength. And one pillow can be used as a parent no more than 7 times to avoid hyperinflation. And when you actually breed with these parent pillows, you gain a new box to open and you can get a new pillow. And in that way you can mint new pillow NFTs. And in this white paper you can also find out more about the tokenomics of the SCT token, because the SCT token is the token that keeps it all together. For examples, SCT tokens are spent per mint and they are sent to the treasury. And more things like these, for example, some SCT fees are used to keep the whole economy sustainable. So to show you what I was talking about, to the community treasury 6% of the transactions of the Sleep City marketplace go, but also 6% business tax in the city of their upcoming metaverse, a 2 to 6% mortgage and loan rate at the Sleep City Bank, and in the future way more will come, and that all adds to the treasury. And the bigger the treasury, the more Sleep City can actually do with that money in expanding the metaverse, but also rewarding the community. So the metaverse is something for the long term, but if you want to know more about their plans for their own metaverse, that is also in the white paper down here. You can also follow Sleep City on Twitter at sleepcity.io, and once more, all the links you will need will be down in the description. But right now they have a huge giveaway going on. Basically there are a few things you have to do. You have to like, retweet and follow this tweet and this account. You have to tag 3 friends and go and subscribe to the Discord right here. So when you join the Discord server and you actually see their own server, what you have to do is you have to go to giveaway to actually know more information about the giveaway. Here you will see the 3 actions we talked about too, but there are more conditions you need to know about. So if you want to know more about that, again, all the links will be down in the description. You can join the server and find out more about, for example, that you have to put a Sleep City picture in your Discord profile. You have to insert the word SC in your Discord name, and there should not be any other project names within your nickname. You have to engage with their social media and react to their announcements. All very important things to know, because this giveaway is absolutely huge. There's almost $20,000 in rewards to be gained from the giveaway, so I would definitely recommend you to check that out. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. We talked about what Sleep City is, how you can actually sleep to earn, and what their metaverse will look like. We went over their white paper and their upcoming token pre-sale and the NFT launch. And apart from that, we also went over their upcoming giveaway, which is going to be absolutely huge. So once more, I do want to remind you that all the links will be down in the description. But for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.